Hey everyone, Said It Are You Cars. We are back with a 2014 Alfa Romeo Giulietta 1.4 170 bhp Sportiva model, finished in Rosso red with 85,000 miles, 9 services, 2 owners, recent cam belt, and looking the part. Riding on the 18-inch sports alloys with the Brembo brakes, privacy glass. Obviously it's a Sportiva. This one's actually a Sportiva Nav, so it has got the nav as well. Front and rear parking sensors, cruise control, all your bits and bobs. Very clean, as you can see. This is the TCT model, so it's the auto or semi-auto. Rare bit of kit. Show you inside. Good sized boot on the Giuliettas. You do get split folding rear seats as well. We've got the full set of floor mats and your spare wheel under there. All very nice and clean, no funny smells or anything untoward. Inside the car, we've got the Alcantara leather mix, all perfect. It's got the Sportiva stitching to the green and white stitch, which is very pretty. Isofix, under rear armrest, and rear electric windows. In the front, obviously matching interior, but the fronts do have the Alfa Romeo logo embossed, which is a really cool feature. You don't get that on the leather seats, only on the Alcantara. Folding mirrors, electric lumbar support, paddle shifts, multi-function steering wheel, $85,579 on the miles. And I'll just start the car for you. You hear no funny noises or anything untoward, all just very nice. Got your Alfa Romeo media system there. Oh, it's still loading. There we go, with your maps and your media with, I believe, Bluetooth audio. Just have a look. USB auxiliary input, etc. Radio, Bluetooth phone, all there. And nice. Dual climate control. Your connectivity and your parking sensor controls with your drive selects, so you can have dynamic, natural, and all weather, I do believe, DNA mode. Cup holders in the centre, little armrest, handbooks in the glove box, auto dipping mirrors. And yeah, another lovely Alfa. We rate these, they're fantastic value, and these Sportiva ones are just that bit more special, on a par almost with a Cloverleaf. Give us a call, get involved, 01509 267 111. Finance is available, and we work with a number of lenders to find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.